timing measurement on circuit breakers with both sides grounded. According to international safety standards, a circuit breaker should be grounded on both sides while work is performed. Start by connecting the TM1800 to ground. Connect the DCM cables to the circuit breaker. Connect the control cables to the circuit breaker strip and close coil circuits. The test can now be performed safely. Conventional timing methods would require one ground cable to be removed before measuring, which is time-consuming and moreover increases safety risk. When the measurements are done, the ground cable has to be attached again before the measurement cables can be removed. With Megger's dual ground method, the circuit breaker can be timed without removing the ground, which makes the test both safer and faster. With the TM1800 and the dual ground method, you can also time gas-insulated switchgear and generator circuit breakers without removing ground connections. Read more about Megger circuit breaker testing at megger.com.